Hi, my name is Ezekiel Morales, and I'm the production engineer here at Wilco Imaging, a low technology company. And today I want to talk to you guys about cables. Here at Wilco Imaging, we do carry many different varieties of cables, whether that be 1 meter length, 3 meters, 5 meters, 10 meters and above, with different connections. So if you're looking for a USB 3.0 to a USB micro B 3.0 connection as well, we do carry those. We also carry Ethernet cables from like RJ45 connectors. We also even carry connectors that have at the end that is 90 degrees. So if your system or your camera's in a very tight space that you do need that 90-degree angle, we do carry those. Not only do we carry micro B 3.0s, we also carry a USB Type-C to a USB 3.0 as well. If the cables that I've mentioned here before may not work best for your application, here at Wilco Imaging we also do provide a custom service, and that's a cable assembly fully customizable to whatever your specs are and whatever your needs are, whether that be a shielded, unshielded cable, a very specific connector that you're looking for, specific length, things like that. We can do it in-house. So if you have any questions on that specific service that we provide, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at sales@wilcoimaging.com, and we'll be more than happy to help you and answer any questions you have. Thank you and have a great day.